Friends, I'm Robin Fikes, Stampin' Country. Today I'm going to introduce you to this cute little paper cutter. It is so handy dandy. I was able to pre-order it because I'm a demonstrator during December. It came with 48 pieces of luscious, beautiful, fun designer paper. Just look at all the patterns. We have flowers and golf balls and animals and purses, and it's just so fun. And then on the flip side, we have stripes and plaids and all sorts of more subtle paper on the back. So that's 48 pieces plus the little mini cutter that I was able to pre-order. Are you wondering how you can receive this cutter? You can during celebration. You can receive the cutter, the 48 pieces of designer paper, stamp set of your choice, plus $125 worth of Stampin' Up product, all for just $99. And that's during celebration, which starts January 3rd through March 31st. This is a guillotine cutter. So I love it. It's a small size. The 6x6 paper fits in it no problem. So it's handy dandy. It'll fit in your purse, and I was happy to discover that this little Stamparatus bag, the stamp positioning tool, not only can I carry my Stamparatus, but I can tuck this little cute cutter in the outside pocket and take that along with my Stamparatus. That is how tidy it is. So it's just really cute. It's handy to have on your desk. It's handy to take with you when you're traveling. And all this is available during celebration. So if you're a Stampin' Country customer, you should have already received both of these catalogs, the new mini plus the celebration. Celebration is when you can receive free product with every $50 purchase. So let me tell you a little bit more about this beautiful cutter. So it will easily cut a 6x6 piece of paper. So you can just slip that in there and you can cut it to the measurements you want. Now I'm not going to cut that because I'm not ready to cut this yet. But I also wanted to show you that you can, so obviously you can't cut a great big 8.5 by 11 sheet, but smaller pieces. So if you wanted to trim a smaller piece, say I wanted this to be 4 inches wide, I could easily trim that. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Very easy. It's very crisp. Now here's the fun part. You can also fold this in half, hamburger style. So now it's a half sheet, and this handy dandy little cutter will cut cards for you because it can cut through multiple sheets of cardstock. So now you have 2 cards, super simple. That was just folding it hamburger because it easily cuts through there. And then if you wanted to fold it hot dog style, you could do that. Love these bone folders. So we have a hot dog style. Now the problem's going to be that it's not wide enough to get to your 5.5. So if you cut a template that's 5.5 long, you can line that up on here. Until it gets to and you have 2 of the cards. You can do it this way or this way. And you have 2 more cards. Super easy to do. So you would need a template to do it the hot dog style. You can also use your templates to make smaller cards. So let's say that I wanted to use this gorgeous paper to make a card. And I wanted my front to be, oh, I don't know, 4 inches by 5 1/4, which is just slightly smaller than a standard card. Well, I can do the 4 inches quite easily. I just slide that in. I love the sound of that cutter. So I have the 4 inches, but I want it to be 5 1/4. Well, I can line that up. So just by keeping a couple templates with it, this little miniature cutter will be super handy to take places with you. So it'll slip in your purse or your bag, and you can bring it along. It's mini, it's cute. Just love it. Just wanted to show that off. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Have a fabulous day, and looking forward to that new year.